Is future in the hands of Bitcoin? Well, we believe that. If you want to know everything about it, then smash the like button. It's time for Crypto News, Crypto to the Max with Rodrigo Arnedo, FunOntheride here, your host for the most. And even though Bitcoin today is going down, and we're going to talk about the chart and the things you need to know about technical analysis, today the idea is that future is just looking into Bitcoin. Why? Because we know, as we told you in previous videos, that the election year might be decided because of voters against and in favor of cryptocurrencies. We told you yesterday, you have to watch all the crypto news, that Donald Trump was all into crypto right now. Well, now we know that also Biden is trying to get some of those votes. Right now, he's campaigning to have some of these crypto funds. The idea, he's meeting with some people that he will not meet in the past because he's known to be the one against cryptocurrencies and stuff. Anyways, you have to watch the video about Donald Trump. We are going to have a Donald dump or a Donald rise once he wins the elections. Everybody believes he's going to win. We'll see about that. What do you think? Tell me in the comments below. And do you think that Joe Biden still has time to find some crypto believers that will vote for him? Do you think that he's still having time in order to convince us that he's a crypto bro? We'll see. We've been dedicated a lot of videos to the election year in United States, and it's funny to me that I found this one is 4 years ago, so this one is related with the last elections. Remember, this is going to be the third election for Bitcoin, and at that time we were following 2012, and the path of the price was quite similar. Right now, we are following these three events, and we are going to have the next one. So it's going to be the fourth. That's what I want. I want to say. That's what I meant. And the idea is that mostly the charts, so similar, mostly the same. We will follow them, and if you want to have some fun, just watch that video where we were saying that we were just across $14,000. We were celebrating that, and I told you some alpha, like for example, all days for election day are green for Bitcoin. And I told you the percentage that we have since the first election to the second and to the third, that was close to 2000%. So that was awesome information you have to watch. And for me, it's funny that we've been here together for years. Thank you for all your likes and for using the links in the description below. Thank you for all your good comments out there. And we still saying the same things. And we see how Bitcoin is just the same, but at a higher price. So this video is again for warning you that the path from here to November might be huge, and that we are going to be so happy on November the 4th, in my opinion. I'm not expert, this is not financial advice, but this happened here in 2020, also crazy in 2012, and it was not as crazy, but it was like going up and down, and then, well, it's not the same, but we were a lot higher at election day that we were 157 days before. That's the time that remains for election day. So you still have time. You still have the opportunity for buying some more Bitcoin or cryptocurrencies, because if history repeats itself, well, it's going to be amazing. And of course, we will share it here with you. Here you have the last time we had elections and those paths for Bitcoin. And you can see that we are going a little bit down. We might be go lower. Maybe we still need some patience now till around September, maybe August, and then we will start going up. And November might be crazy. This is the idea of this tweet, BTC Power Law. And the idea is that we are going to be kind of flat or down till, well, October, November. Then we're going to go 1 year all the way up to the top. That might be in 210K. And then maybe we might have a crypto winter again, all the way down to 70K. So take advantage of that if you want. and follow the path for Bitcoin right now, trying to hold the $67,000 that I told you yesterday that was the range with the $70,000. We lost this line, this red one. It's not good, but we're still holding on 67. Watch previous video. I told you what happens if we lose that point. In any case, consider that we might still have a green month of May because we have to go all the way down to 60,700. So positive thing out there. Maybe we still need to go flat like this arrow, the purple one, but that meant that finally we will push and go higher. Remember that we have a lot of liquidations on $72,000, and that's where the price will follow because price follows liquidity eventually. Any case, Bitcoin is still the 9th most valuable asset on earth, which is awesome. And Bitcoin is 420% approximately, since Kramer said it's a scam on live TV. So yeah, we're not doing bad. Also, we have some good news, like for example, this one, Mastercard crypto credential is launched for peer-to-peer transaction in a pilot. That's going to mean something like you're going to have an alias when the platform is associated with Mastercard, and you are going to be safer because you know that the exchange and the other one that you want to make the transaction with, those follow the Mastercard standards, so it's regulated, and it's going to give you more confidence, and of course it's going to be cheaper and easier to do. So good thing that Mastercard is out there pushing the market, and also good to know that the New York Stock Exchange is going to launch financial products tracking spot Bitcoin prices. So we have the ETFs. Now we're going to have options in the New York Stock Exchange. That means more and more hunger for Bitcoin products. And consider that BlackRock's Bitcoin ETF, IBIT, is the most successful ETF launch of all time. This is said by experts like Eric Balchuna. He says, IBIT is king of the category and Pro will be for decades. The low fee plus big boy liquidity plus A-shares brand name is just too powerful, although there's plenty of food for everyone, of course. Also here, he gave us more context of how just absurd IBAT is. There's only been one ETF in history to reach 20 bill in assets under 1,000 days, JEPI, which did it in 985 days. IBIT is away at 137 days. So crazy, so good. And here, Michael Van de Poppe telling us that the ETFs are buying more yesterday. Not grayscale, but we told you about the new product they might launch soon enough. And what about Ethereum and the ETFs? Even though Ethereum is going down, we have good news out there. It's a good sign. Prof to see retest roll it soon. Then Prof one more round of fine-tuned comments from staff. The idea here, Eric Balchunas is telling us that the launch of the ETF for Ethereum is going to be end June or July the 4th, according to himself. Fidelity, that now is on the DTCC under the ticker FET. Crazy stuff. Also, bad one that Hasdex didn't do the homework okay, and they had to withdraw the Ethereum ETF that they were asking for. Vitalik Buterin helping Tornado Cash, all related with Ethereum. The idea is that he gave 30 Ethereum to these guys in order to try to defend themselves, because we have to defend developers, of course. So thank you, Vitalik. And about competitor of Ethereum, Solana, now good news. They are now on PayPal too. They have their stablecoin, the PYUSD, and now you can have it on Ethereum, but also on Solana. If you want more information, I'll leave you the link in the description below. The market with all this is trying to be in the green. The most important ones are in the red or trying to be in the green, but we don't care. Because 700 billion Bernstein predicts Bitcoin will hit 90,000 this year and $150,000 in 2025. So we can wait. It's okay that the bubbles are in the red today, because we have some of them. You can watch that with dextools.io, link in the description below, that are having crazy percentages up, like 28,000. You can see here the hot pairs. Today, Goku and things like that. Of course, we have politic on the meme coins out there. So yeah, go to dexters.io and also try the new feature. You were asking for that, and now you have it. You can try and check your charts by market cap. So you go there, you find the one you are interested in. Like for example, here we have Ethereum, and then you can go to the chart and you have price, but now you have also market cap. So maybe this is a metric that you want, and you have it now on dexters.io. Do not miss that out. And do not miss out the crypto news every day, because we told you crazy stuff like this one. Did you notice that yesterday we were going up when the stock market of Asia started? It started going down. Bitcoin kept on going up till some point in the middle of the session, and then we started going down. The end of the market was up and we started going up. But the previous day was similar behavior. We were going up, the stock market in Asia goes down, we went to the middle and we still start going down. So is this a pattern that I just found that will make you a billionaire? Then send me some money. Thank you very much. Dollar going down a little bit. That's good for us, of course. And we are not going up as we expected because of the thesis we told you in previous video about Memorial Day. So watch it if you haven't. We're still greedy. We are in the 73. And we are so happy because we found this chart. This is the oldest chart in existence, where Bitcoin was 14 years ago at 0.03 cents. So crazy the way we just have crossed. And here you have this meme, amazing. Have you enough Bitcoin? I do not. Normal people, they need toys. But we need more Bitcoin. That's why we don't buy even socks. What about Trezor? We have more promotions you need to know. Like, for example, this one. You don't like fees? Well, you can buy crypto now until May the 30th with Trezor and some of their providers. So go there and take advantage of that, and try also to have a 30% off of this metal, because you can store there your private key. But I think today is over. So try today, because it might be the last chance you have in order to have this 30% discount in this amazing product. And also remember that if you buy a Trezor with the link in the description below, and you fill this form you have also in the description below, you are up for a new device. You can earn a Trezor Save 3 all free, and you just have to buy another one. So fill the form right now. Very little participation. We are going to draw the first one on Monday's show. So you still have till the end of Monday, to the end of Sunday, sorry, in order to buy it and fill the form. If you don't fill the form, I can't know that you use the link and you can't participate. So do it right now. Remember also that we have 3x on our campaign from Over the Reality. What's the video we have dedicated for that? You have 3x on the probability of finding those hiding rewards, and you have 3x on the rewards that you have for sure. So take advantage of that just until June the 15th. And also we have a huge campaign today, crazy campaigns today from our partners. We have this MMX from M2. This is a 4 weeks mega rewards. You have to use the link in the description below in order to have your account. And then you have to go to the promotion campaign. I'm going to leave you the links in the description below, of course. And there you have how to do the tasks that you need to follow in order to participate in those prizes. Here and there, those are the two campaigns. You are up for a win of 5 USDTs, 10 USDTs. There's a pool, huge pool. So it's easy that you want those 5 or 10 USDTs. And also you might have some tickets for the fight between McGregor and Chandler. So do that right now. And of course, do not forget, if you don't have your account yet, using your welcome bonus, I'm going to leave you the link in the description below. I told you everything about that in our dedicated video here on FunOntheride. So go there and find it. Which one it is? Well, it's this one that says how to stake and make some money with Bitcoin. Can the stake with the earn possibility, and also you have there a tutorial. So sure, do that, participate in these rewards, and why not? Do not forget about the 15 euros you might have and the 2% cashback you have with Bybit card, the card that we use in the cryptosphere. Just 23 hours for the IRLO campaign to end. You have 15 more euros. And also, they have this campaign for the next 2 days and a little bit more about Ethereum. So use the link in the description below. You have a lot of homework with our partners, and you can make some money and some crypto out there. Maybe you feel exhausted because of all this, but it's good for you accumulating and learning how to use the best of the best applications out there. If you want to keep on learning, go and watch AI News, our channel about artificial intelligence, or maybe you want more about crypto. Maybe you missed yesterday's video. Then you need to know all we said there. Very important information. All them are very important. Do not miss a single one here on Crypto News, Fun on the Ride, Health, Money, Love, Party in Peace, and the best is yet to come. To the moon!